It can be difficult to handle somebody who is being angry with us if we already have a sensitivity to that kind of emotion. One possibility is to actually play it back to the person who's getting angry with us. You sound really angry. You sound annoyed. You're obviously upset. So that's me pointing out how I think you seem to be feeling. The other one is to actually say how we are feeling as a result of seeing that emotion. I'm finding it really hard to hear you getting angry like that. I'm finding it really hard to see you in tears. Either way, what seems to be important is to actually play back the other person's feeling or our feeling with a similar degree of strength to the one that we're witnessing.